So I just got in the mail my Lululemon Everywhere Belt Bag 1L. I have been wanting to get one of these for a while, and since I'm going on vacation soon, I figured now would be the perfect time to get one. Okay, so it cost $38. I got the small Everywhere Belt Bag. Shipping was free. $2.57 tax for a total of $40.57. Okay, let's see what this is all about. Everybody seems to love these. A lot of times they're sold out. I had no problem whatsoever. And I see they have a bunch of new styles too. I almost got the big one, but we'll see how this one does. Okay, that is my sales ticket. Everywhere Belt Bag, black, one size. And I did get the black. I almost got the like mint green one. Oh, so pretty, but I was kind of worried about it getting dirty. Okay, so it comes in this plastic. Take it out of that. All right, there it is. It's got the Lululemon symbol, Lululemon tag. This is the belt. Fanny packs have really come a long way, haven't they? Back in my day, they were called, back in my day, I'm only 51. But anyway, back in the day, back in the 80s, when they were real popular, we called them fanny packs. Okay. Which you would wear it around your waist, which I'm pretty sure you could have worn over your shoulder too. I think the straps are just longer on these. So there's the strap. Okay, let's unzip it. Perfect size for your phone. 2 pockets, mesh pockets. Well, actually one big mesh pocket. Lululemon, and then 2 small mesh pockets. Yes, that's plenty of room when you're out sightseeing or whatever and don't want to carry your pocketbook. Lululemon on the zipper. Okay, and then we also have an outside pocket. Oh, so many things can fit in here. Your lipstick, lip gloss. Yep, I think I'm going to like it. Very easy to clean. That's why I got the black, because it won't show dirt as much. But I really did like some of the other colors. Okay, well, that is the Lululemon Everywhere Belt Bag, in case you're one of the few that haven't gotten one yet like me, if you wanted to see it up close before you purchased it. Well, that's it. I think I'm going to enjoy it. We'll see. Thanks for watching, and as always, have a wonderful day. Bye.